good? In this video, I will be showing you how to make a Stripe payment link. The first thing you want to do once on your Stripe dashboard, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to select payments. After selecting payments, you're going to tap right where you see create a payment link. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you can select products or subscriptions, or you can select customers choose what to pay. You can select either one of these options. But let's say, for example, you want them to pay for a product or service. You're going to select products or subscriptions. Then from there, you can tap on the search bar here and you can tap on add new product. After tapping on add new product, you can give your product name. So for example, I can give it the name of test book. After typing in the name, from here you could add a description if you want. You can also upload a cover image if you want. Once you have done that, you can set the price that you would like your customers to pay. Then you can choose whether it is recurring or one time. And you can also choose the currency. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on add product and you can see how it looks right there. After you have added the product, all you'll need to do now is scroll down and you can choose whether you like to collect the customer's address or any other form of information. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on create link in the top right hand corner. After tapping on create link, you'll be redirected to this page and you can see the different payment methods that you can accept, as you can see right here. Now all you'll need to do to copy this link, you could tap on copy right here. After you have tapped on copy, you can share it. You could also tap on QR code and you would get a QR code that you can tap on download image and you can share also. Now if it is a case that you would like to create a buy button to add on your website, you could tap on buy button. And after tapping on buy button, you can see the different options. So you could use the card option if you want and copy the HTML code, or you could tap on button and from there you could copy the button code. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.